Ever wanted to make a photo of yourself talk like a real person? Let me show you how to do it in just a few steps using ChatGPT and Hedera AI. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the perfect animation prompt. Just ask it, "Can you write me a prompt for Hedera AI to animate my photo?" And here's the result. Now go to Hedera AI, sign in, and click Create Video. Upload your photo, paste the prompt from ChatGPT, and wait for the magic. Don't forget to upload the voiceover or the speech you want. Photo of me, but I used AI to make myself talk like any avatar. Hedera will animate your photo, making it talk exactly like you typed. It even syncs lips and adds expressions automatically. And that's it. You turned a still image into a talking avatar using the power of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more AI tutorials.